Hello and welcome back to the Coding Hub. In today's video we will be setting up a WordPress theme from scratch. This will hopefully be super quick and you can create a blank template theme that you can start using on your website and customizing in any way that you want. So yeah, please stick around for that. But before we get started, please like and subscribe to the channel to encourage me to carry on making these types of videos and different types of tutorials. We post every week different guides and tutorials on how to do things on the web, on mobile, and things like that. So now, when you want to create a WordPress theme, you first of all need to have WordPress set up onto your computer. As you can see here, I've got a PHP web server running on which I have WordPress installed. If you don't know how to install WordPress, then have a look at one of our previous videos where we go through how to create a WordPress installation on your local machine. However, it doesn't have to be on your local machine, you just have to have access to its file system. So in this case, we've got a WordPress installation running over here, and if we go to themes, we will see all the different themes that it has, which come pre-built with WordPress when you install it. So now, if you navigate to where your WordPress installation is installed, so in my case, I am working on a Chromebook here, and I have the WordPress installation running inside htdocs. And here you can see all the different WordPress files. Now, what you want to do is you want to go inside wp-content, and then inside themes. And in here you have a lot of folders with all your themes. What we're going to do is just create a new folder, which we're going to call WordPress theme tutorial. Okay, now that is all we need to do here. Now what you will then need to do is open your chosen IDE that you like to use on your machine. So in my case it's an Android ID, and just open up in here, and then we're going to go inside this folder, and then we are going to create a new file. Okay, so they are two files that every single theme on WordPress must have. These are style.css and file and index.php. So index.php is the file that first gets opened when you run your theme. So if we were to say this is the default theme, this is the file that's going to run. It will also be looking at the styles CSS file for things specific to your theme. So in here, I have copied and pasted this from WordPress themselves, but you will need these commented lines to be added to the top of your styles.css file, and in here you're basically just creating your theme name. So this will be WordPress tutorial theme, and we're going to change the author to the Coding Hub. And we can change all the other stuff as well, but because this is a tutorial, I'll just leave it in here. But you get the idea. You wanna customize the description, the author's URL, and stuff like that to your own, whichever that might be. So we're going to click save here, and then that is everything that we need. So we're going to go back to the WordPress installation and click refresh here. And you can see here we've got the WordPress tutorial theme. It took the name from the CSS file from the top where I was showing you, and then if we click in here we can see that we have the name, the version, who it's created by, and the link to where we set it, which is, in this case, is the WordPress.org website. And you can see I spelled the Coding Hub slightly wrong with a capital O. And yeah, and if we do a live preview, we'll see that it's just a blank page because we don't have anything inside our index file. But if we were to, for example, put test here and save that, and then if we close this and try the live preview again, we'll see the test keyword up in here. So yeah, this is how you set up a WordPress theme, a very blank one. In future videos we will demonstrate how you can add functionality to your theme and what the different types of files that WordPress recognizes can be used for. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.